Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we have brought to you the biography of our favorite TV actor Shawn Johnston, and we will try our best to give each and every possible details about him. So stick with us till the end to know everything about Shawn Johnston. Let's get started. Shawn Johnston is a Canadian actor, director and a musician who is best known for playing crusty yet compassionate patriarch Jack Bartlett in the hit TV series Heartland. He was born in Ponoka, Alberta, Canada in 1958 and grew up on a farm with cattle and horses. We know Jack Bartlett as a wizened grandfather without whom Heartland would be incomplete. He keeps the Heartland family together and always says the right things at the right time. The actor and the character have quite a few things in common. Shawn Johnston was a real-life cowboy long before he came on the show. The talented artist has won multiple awards for Best Actor during his successful career. Johnston grew up on a farm in Ponoka, Alberta between Red Deer and Edmonton. He played basketball in high school, earned a degree in business from Red Deer College and worked for a time with the Alberta Treasury branch. Interested in a career as a fashion photographer, he moved to Toronto in the early 1980s and struggled to break into the industry before finding work as a runaway model. After a few years, he had developed a taste for performing and returned to Alberta to study theatre at Red Deer College. He then earned a BFA from the University of Alberta Selective Drama Program. After his graduation, Johnston co-founded the Shadow Theatre in Edmonton and made his first professional forays in Alberta's thriving theatre scene. He made his debut feature film appearance as a loose-living biker in the comedy drama Two Brothers, a Girl and a Gun in 1993. The role won him an Alberta Film and Television Award for Best Actor. After this, numerous film and television parts followed, including credits on The X-Files and Lonesome Dove, The Outlaw Years in 1995, North of 60 in 1997, and several episodes of The Outer Limits between 1995 to 2001. Johnston played Jake Trumper on Jake and the Kid in 1995 and 1996. He had a recurring role on The Traders between 1999 to 2000. A small role in the Russell Crowe hockey movie Mystery, Alaska in 1999, and he also played Fire Marshal Sid Fleming in Da Vinci's Inquest in 2002. He co-starred opposite Christopher Plummer in two TV movies, the family film The Dinosaur Hunter in 2000 and the Cold War drama Agent of Influence in the same year. He also appeared in the cult hit Smallville in 2004 and in the Gemini award-winning CTV movie Mayor Thorpe in 2008, which was about the 2005 shooting death of four Mounties. He inhabited the American West in 2000 remake of Western classic High Noon and appeared in September Dawn in 2007, which portrayed the 1857 massacre of settlers traveling through the western US. For his performance as the wagon train captain who led the pioneers into an attack by Mormon fanatics, Johnston once again won the Alberta Film and Television Award for Best Actor. He also played Colonel Nelson Miles in Yves Simoneau's Bury My Heart at Wounded Knee in 2007, an Emmy Award-winning HBO film about Aboriginal assimilation in the context of the Battle of Little Bighorn. Johnston also continues to act on stage and remains involved with the Shadow Theatre. In 2012, he starred in the company's production of Sam Safford's Fool for Love, which was also staged in Calgary by Sage Theatre. In 2007, Johnston took a regular role in Heartland, a CBC TV series based on the Heartland books by Lauren Brooke. The drama about life on a horse ranch in Alberta's Rocky Mountains fills the CBC's traditional Sunday night family slot. In Heartland, Johnston plays Jack Bartlett, a crusty Westerner who must raise his granddaughter Amy, played by Amber Marshall, following the accidental death of her mother. Jack is helped by Amy's older sister, Lou, played by Michelle Morgan, who decides to forego her high-achieving life in Manhattan to take care of abused horses, her mother's vacation. Johnston plays Grandpa Jack as a taciturn yet sensitive man who values honesty and integrity and has zero tolerance for phony behavior. Johnston received the Gemini nominations for his work on Heartland's first season. Off-screen, Sean Johnston is an avid hockey player and guitar player. He fundraises for the Actors Fund of Canada and the mentoring program Big Brothers and Big Sisters in Calgary. Talking about the honors, he received the prestigious David Bellington Award from the Alberta Media Production Companies Association in 2011 for making an invaluable contribution to Alberta's production community. ACTRA National President Fern Downey stated at the time, Sean Johnston is a gifted actor and a bona fide Canadian TV and film star. The breadth of his resume speaks eloquently to that. Sean has always found a creative way to make his character deeply rooted in humanity and completely compelling to watch. Now let's talk about Sean Johnston's net worth. According to various sources, his net worth is estimated to be around $1 million. This sum of money makes the 62-year-old actor pretty much wealthy. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.